soil texture is the relative proportions of sand, silt, or clay in a soil. The soil textural class is a grouping of soils based upon these relative proportions. The jar test is used to determine the percentages of sand, silt, and clay in a soil. Number 1. Using a mesh sieve, sift the soil to remove any debris, rocks, and large organic matter, leaves, sticks, roots, etc. Number 2. Fill the jar 1/3 full of the soil to be tested. Number 3. Fill the remainder of the jar with clean water, but leave some space at the top. Number 4. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered dishwashing detergent. Number 5. Cap the jar and shake vigorously until the soil turns into a uniform slurry. Number 6. Set on a level surface and time for 1 minute. Number 7. After 1 minute, the coarse sand layer settled at the bottom of the jar, but I'll wait for the final hour and mark all the layer, and leave again the jar for 2 hours. Number 9. After 2 hours, next layer will settle, which is the silt layer. Then number 10. Leave the jar on a level spot for 48 hours. Number 11. After 48 hours, the next layer will settle, which is the clay layer. And then, mark all the layer using a permanent marker. And lastly, using a ruler, measure and record the height of each layer, and the total height of all 3 layers. Use the soil texture analysis worksheet below to record results. After measuring all the layers, I recorded 4.5 cm for sand layer, 2.8 cm for silt layer, and 0.1 cm for clay layer, a total of 7.4 cm. Using the formula, height of the layer divided by the total height layer, multiply by 100, I get 60.81% for sand layer, 37.84% for silt layer, and 1.35% for clay layer. And, using the soil texture triangle and the data that I have, it shows that my soil sample is a sandy loam soil. Thank you, and God bless.